Hi guys, so today's video is going to be a Glossy box unboxing video for the box of August. You might have seen other people unboxing them already because I know a lot of YouTubers get like little sneak peeks of them and stuff, but I thought I'd just share with you what I got, which box I got and what I got in it, if you don't know already. So I'm going to show you what I got in my August box, and then I also got, before that, a couple of days before, two of the they're doing like a sale at the moment. I'm assuming it's still on. I'll pop a link in the description if it's still on and you can still get these. They just basically reduce old stock / boxes that they have excess stock of. So I got two of those. One was a regular box, which was £7 I think, instead of like 13. And then the other one was one of the like limited edition sort of collab boxes, which was meant to be 25 or 30 I think, and I got it for 15. And I've looked in them both already, and there's loads in the collab box, so that's exciting to show you. But yeah, I'll quickly run through what's in the August box. This was the one I got the beautiful box. You open it up, looks like this inside as per usual. You've got your little ticket that you can scan, and then it will take you to the online magazine as opposed to getting the big booklet that you used to get. So firstly, I'll start off with you get a eye mask. So this is a eye mask that heats up, like a sort of warm compress type thing. Yeah, so you just put it over your eyes, put the loops around your ears, and then it will start heating up for 30 seconds. So that'll be exciting to try. I do like stuff like this. I've been getting a lot of headaches recently with being pregnant and stuff, so hopefully that might help. Then you get, I get so sick of getting these, honestly. I've got about 3 of them on the go at the moment. The Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Booster. Sorry, excuse my nails. I haven't repainted them. I've got work tomorrow, so I've got to take this off. The restoring conditioner. Yeah, these come in absolutely everything. This guy, does he actually sell anything? Because I swear they're all in these boxes. They are good. They are good, don't get me wrong. Then you get a velvet lip liner by, I can never pronounce this company. Is it Ciate? Comes in a box like that. This is in the shade Cocoa. This is actually good for me because I enjoy shades of brown. It's just in a little tubey tube like this. It's just one of those twisty up ones. I don't like these as much as the pencils because they are a little softer and they tend to break a little easier. But this is a nice colour. It will get used, oh hello, it will get used under probably the majority of my brown lipsticks, so absolutely fine with that, happy with that, can't complain. The next two, I'll show you the sample first. Actually, you do get a little sachet of Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I used this, I want to say years ago. It was okay. It was okay. I would use this. I'll probably just use that tonight to get that out of the way. The next two you get, so it's a setting powder by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. It's the HD finishing powder in translucent. Just a regular, you know, that sort of jobby translucent powder. You get a lot of translucent powders, not only in Glossy box but also in other subscription boxes. It's just one of those things. Like I've got one right here that was in one that I used to this date. They do tend to pile up in my drawer, but I do get through them and I do use them. But one thing I haven't, is it raining? What's that noise? Oh, it's my laptop. One thing I haven't used before, weirdly, I don't know why it is, what they've given us this month, and I was going to buy one of these the other day, and then I thought, oh no, it's actually coming in the Glossy box, I'll just leave it. It's this one's by Spectrum. Spectrum is like a makeup brush brand, and obviously they do little puffs and stuff like that. So this is a velvet powder puff. Oh, it's so cute. It's a little, oh I love that, it's like a little multicoloured unicorny type jobby. But yeah, this is just for obviously setting it under your eyes. I'm sure you all know that. I just use a brush and slap it everywhere, but I really want to get into like the piling it on and hopefully making it all nice and matte and lovely. So I'm happy I've got that. And yes, that is all that was in this August box. Not gonna lie, I have preferred the last few boxes before this. This doesn't seem like, I don't know, enough. Do you know? I don't know. It's still very nice, don't get me wrong. The packaging's lovely as well. I like the packaging a lot, but I would just say like this needs to be replaced with like a bigger, something bigger, or this needs to be a more substantial sample, something along those lines. But either way, it's a nice treat to have every month. I still enjoy it. I've been with Glossy Box for on and off for years. Off when I've been poor and thought I shouldn't really be spending it on subscription boxes. But for the past, I think, year, 2 years, I've just kept going with it because it's nice to get through the post. Okay, so then I've got 2 other ones to show you quickly. This is the subscription one that I got. So you can buy variations on the sites. There's like variation 1, variation 2, variation 3 or something like that, for different prices. There's like £7, £9, £10. Just have a look, it'll make sense when you look. I chose this one because it's the cheapest. So this one's the December 22 box, so I'll go through that one in a minute, but I'll show you this one first because I'm most excited for this one. It's the best one. It's very weighty. That's what I like. So this is the Bella Blossom box, and it was a limited edition box, I think. So in this box you still used to get the little card, so it comes with the card that tells you everything that's in it. Comes wrapped up like a normal Glossy box, and then I'll probably run through these quite quickly because I think I counted and there's like 12 or 13 things in here, which for £15, like that's with my rolling subscription for Glossy Box, I think I pay £13.50 or £14 or something a month. Sorry, I'm just having a little fluff here. So this is basically that price and you get like double. So I'd recommend going and getting this, to be honest. I think this is a good box. So first thing you get is this, which is so cute. It's it's by the brand AHC. It's a natural, central, nourishing and hydrating sheet mask. I do love a good sheet mask. This is huge. How cute is that? Do love a good sheet mask. Very excited to use that. The next thing is by Pra, I don't know. It's an ageless throat and décolletage cream. As I'm getting older, when I do my skincare, as my mother taught me, you take it down your neck and onto your chest. So I will very much be using this. Comes in this little pot. I'm assuming this is a sample pot. Ooh. It's got a little lid on it as well. You get that much. You get a nice little layer on the bottom. Doesn't smell like much. Sort of smells like, I don't know if you guys have this. When I was little, like my mum, whenever I'd smell it, like when she smelled like face cream, that's what it smells like. Then you have a little sample of Ghost Sweetheart. This is an eau de toilette, so you have a little sample of that in there. Let's have a sniff, shall we? If it'll come out. Ooh, where'd that go? That's nice. Quite a mature scent, but it's very nice, very nice, very nice. Then you get, what is this? This is a Skin Chemist Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. Comes in a little box like this. I did give this a little swipe over my lips the other day when I did open these, because that was naughty. It's nice, but I didn't really see how much it plumped, but it was only, to me, I'd say this is like a, you know, when you're like 13, 14 in school and you're getting into lip plumps, that's what this is. It's very just mentholy. There's not much tingle, or I associate the pain with the plump, but there's not a lot of pain with it either. But I'll give that a proper good go, see how it goes, because it's nice for just like lip gloss to carry around anyway. Then you get an Ico London waterproof mascara, little tube like that. Ooh, wow. That's a funky one, isn't it? Oh, I like that. To be honest, I need a waterproof mascara recently because with my hormones, all I do is cry. So, brilliant. Next thing is a little sample of Filorga. Age Purifying Intense Serum Double Correction Serum. A little sample one like that. I feel like I have one of these already in there from somewhere else, in my drawer from somewhere else, but that sounds nice. We'll give that a go. Then you get This Works. Is this a hand cream? Yeah, little hand cream. Oh, I don't know what that smell is, but I'm not sure how I feel about that. Oh, it's meant to be ylang ylang and lavender, but I think that might have been sat in a warehouse for a little bit too long. It smells a bit weird to me. I mean, I'll use it because it's hand cream, but I'm not a fan of that smell. Next thing is a James Read Gradual Tan Coconut Water Face Mist. I'm excited to use this actually because I want to get into like incorporating some sort of tanning drops or tanning something into my face routine. Because when I do my body with the gradual tan, like my face is just a bit off, so I wanted it all to match. Then you get a MCO Beauty Cheek and Lip Tint. Is in the shade Flamingo Pink. I mean, will I use this? I don't know. We'll give it a go. Wow, that is bright. So it comes in a little tubey like that. Where are we? That is the colour. It does. Oh, that's quite nice actually. I'll probably use that. Then you get a little nail varnish. This is by Movala. This is in the shade Brown Break 223. Little nice neutral brown colour. I will use that. God, my nails are awful. I'm so sorry. Then you get a Mellow Precision Pen eyeliner. This is a liquid liner, I think. Well, I think when I checked it was a liquid liner, if I remember correctly. Yes, I think so, yeah. So it comes in a little tube like that. Nice. Yeah, so just black eyeliner. I love eyeliner, so that will work nicely. I do like those pens as well. Next thing you get, oh, I just realised that's not a pattern, that's just some like gross shit all over it. Lovely. So it's a Grace Cole Vanilla Blush and Peony Body Butter. And yeah, I don't know what the hell this is, but it's just come with some like caked crap all over it. I thought that was part of the pattern when I looked at it originally. Okay. I mean, it's fine. I'm sure it's just a bit of sticky something. I've used this before. It is lovely. I do need a cream for by my bedside table because I like cream my legs and feet before I get into bed. So I'll use that for that. And then that is all you get in that one. But that is, how many things is that? Yeah, so you get 12 things in that, which I think is very good. Over double what you get in a usual Glossy box. So yeah, like I said, I'll pop the link to these sale items in the description if you want to go and take a look for yourself. Okay, then this video is getting very long, so I'm going to quickly whiz over the ones that are in the December box. You might have already seen this in December anyway if you're subscribed to Glossy Box. Comes in a little tin though. I do always love a good tin. Very sustainable because I do use them again. Little bits and bobs. So in this one you get Shock Horror, a Philip Kingsley, Elasticizing Wisdom, like I haven't seen those before. Again, I'm going to check that in my bathroom and I'm going to force myself to use it. Then you get a Clinique All About Clean Rinse Off Foaming Cleanser. I'm excited about that. I do like Clinique as a skincare brand, so that's quite a good sample size as well. So happy to have that and use that. And then you get a number 7 Illuminating Pressed Highlighting Powder in the shade Golden Glow. Looks like this. Badoom. Let's give it a go, shall we? It's very golden. I do have a smidge of highlighter on already. Quite nice. Nothing special, but we'll use it. Then you get 2 of the little Pixie Glow Tonic. what are they called? Toners. That's what they're called. Again, I think I have 2 of those in there from another box. It might have, I don't think I had this December box. I think I had maybe a variation of it, or I missed the December box. I really don't know. Then you get, this is nice, well I like it anyway, you get a complexion sponge, so like a beauty blender type jobby, by So Eco. A little green spongerini like this. This is really quite soft and nice. I don't know if this is like a microfiber or something, but it feels lovely. I'll definitely be using that probably tomorrow. Then the last thing you get in this one is a hashtag give them Lala Beauty. I'm assuming that's the brand. A lip duo. And again, this isn't in a bad colour, because with a lot of glossy boxes or general subscription boxes, you tend to just get reds all the time, I find, and it really winds me up. Or you get these horrible orange, burnt orange colours. And I'm never going to use, well, I use the reds, I'm not going to lie, I love a red, but I'm never going to use like a burnt orange. I don't know, it's just not me. It might be some, but they just repeat it a lot. I say burnt orange, just sort of looks a bit burnt orange. But a lip liner, that's nice. And then you get a lip stick, which is in a slightly lighter shade, but I like that and I will use that. It's sort of a nudie, slightly on the verge of orange, but more nude, I think. And yeah, I will use that. So yeah, that is everything I got. So you got your August box and the 2 little sale boxes that I got. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you did. I'd really appreciate that, and I'll see you soon. Bye.